Well, tonight, Virginia's election system faces a new legal challenge, and this time is the Justice Department filing suit.
Alex Littlehales is in the studio on why the Commonwealth's voter rolls are once again under the microscope here, Alex.
Yeah, Jan and Dan, let's remember this is actually just the latest noteworthy election and voting related headline under Governor Glenn Youngkin's administration. So we have previously seen the governor's administration face criticism on other voting related issues, like the decrease of the number of formerly incarcerated Virginians who have had their rights to vote restored. But now the U.S. Department of Justice alleges, as you mentioned, Dan, unlawful actions within the state's election system have likely confused and maybe mistakenly removed citizens in the process altogether. Question: how often does the DOJ file lawsuits against government agencies?
Over decades, the Department of Justice has had to file suit around the country.
Federal court documents reveal U.S. district attorneys believe Virginia elections officials are violating the National Voter Registration Act, specifically an argument that the state is not in compliance with what is known as the quiet period provision.
So the DOJ is not saying to Virginia, you can't maintain your voter rolls properly. You can't remove ineligible voters.
Rebecca Green, an election law professor at William and Mary University, describes it like a buffer window. This is a deadline that certain voter roll maintenance must stop before Election Day so that eligible voters aren't mistakenly removed from casting their ballot.
There's a potential that a voter wouldn't have enough time to remedy the mistake. So is that what that is?
That's exactly right. Not having enough time to, fix the problem, or not even being aware of the problem and showing up on Election Day and being turned away.
Although he is not a listed defendant in the case, this stems from an executive order by Governor Glenn Youngkin, which removes citizens from a voter roll if they don't verify their information through the DMV. And this summer, the DOJ argues more than 40 people in Prince William County are believed to have been mistakenly removed as eligible voters because of a process like this.
So Governor Youngkin, in an immediate response after the lawsuit's filing, called this a, quote, desperate attempt by the DOJ to cast doubts on the state's elections. I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.